Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a Google account on Android. We start by entering the Google page from our browser. After that, we will click on the Sign In option. Then we will click on Create Account, and after that we choose the type of account to create. Next, we enter our name and then the rest of the data requested. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, we choose if we want to use an existing account to log in or prefer to create a new address. Now choose an email address from those that appear as a suggestion, or create a personalized one if you prefer. After this, we will establish a password according to the guidelines they give us so that it is secure. After this, we can put a recovery email and an associated phone number for greater security if we want. Finally, we verify the account information, and if it is correct, we will click on Next to finish the process and create our Google account. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.